Man, this here, I've got to see what this is about in here. I'm gonna have to dig it out though to get down in there. It's crazy. Check it out. Not a lot of room. Yeah, we had a heavy storms pass through last night. Kind of left things muddy and nasty, so I decided not to really try to dig too much today. But I'm just really glad that I was able to come across this place. You know, it was a blessing from my Creator, for real. You know, I'm homeless. I'm trying to find affordable housing, and there just is none available in Harlan County. And you know, we've had a few recent disasters around the area that left people homeless, which, you know, probably took up the majority. But you have a lot of people that just don't want to invest in their property anymore. I ran into 3 people that are like, we're just not gonna mess with it right now. You know, and I've offered, hey, I will fix it up. I will do that. That's what I do. And they're like, nah, we're just gonna leave it shut up. So, you know, what can I do? Just enjoy the day, you know. Give praise to my Creator, you know, for every day. Life ain't peaches, but it'd be groovy. Thank you, folks.